How you doing? Not a shot.
So we have the distinct pleasure of introducing our Star Wars special to you. We got the opportunity from Lucasfilm to put together a half hour of Robot Chicken dedicated solely to Star Wars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not really much to say except that it was the greatest, most exciting, coolest, craziest thing that's happened to us ever. So now it's yours. Enjoy. Special thanks to Adult Swim for
Thanks, Adult
giving
Swim.
us money.
Thanks.
And for Lucasfilm for not suing us.
Thanks,
Thanks,
George.
Thanks, George.
Thanks, Easter Bunny.
Bonk, bonk.
I think we got... Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Seth Green.
I'm Matt Sunrise.
I'm Mike Solo.
I'm Bergen Meyer.
Welcome to our Star Wars Marathon.
Yay!
It's incredibly exciting and festive and enjoyable, and you should rip it and throw it on the internet right now.
Try again.
You better not steal. Piracy is bad.
Andrew's gonna clip in.
Oh.
That makes me look really bad, except
Change my thought.
now I don't know math.
This was kind of a dream project for everyone, wasn't it?
It was a dream project.
You know, one night I was dreaming, and I keep a pad by the side of my bed just in case I wake up and have an exciting thought.
And some lotion.
What you're about to see is 14 weeks of insanity.
It's a lot of fun to write on Robot Chicken. There's a lot of mayhem that goes on with those. You guys like Adult Swim and Comedy Network or Cartoon Network gonna be watching this like, why do we pay them again?
I know.
This is one of the sets that actually appears in the special. This was our Death Star set, which was excitingly broken up into two pieces so we could film on two separate stages.
That's probably more information than anybody really needs to know, but for those of you who build sets at home, I bet you find it interesting.
You know, more information that people need to know is the fact that I picked up anal cream from Matt this morning and then helped him apply it to all the inflamed areas.
Thanks
That
for
might be
sharing.
more info, yeah. But now you know.
And knowing is half the battle. Yeah, I know.